What's up, everyone? Today we're unboxing the Showmo wireless security camera system. This is an exclusive first look. I'm one of only 20 people in the world with early access to this right now. This isn't even on the market yet. Showmo sent over this complete system for me to check out, so let's tear into it. All right, let's see what we've got. Here's the main green box, Showmo, connecting the future. Nice branding. Pulling that open, and we've got the system laid out here. You can see the two cameras right off the bat. These are the actual Showmo cameras. Look at that camouflage pattern. They look like little walkie-talkies. Compact design, plastic housing, and each one has an antenna on top. These are meant to blend in and be discreet, but feel solid. And there's a ton of accessories underneath. Let's talk about the brains of the system, this router. This is what handles all the wireless communication between your cameras and the recording system. Here's the cool part. The router has built-in recording storage. No need for SD cards in the cameras themselves. That means easier access to your footage, more reliable recording, and you don't have to dig around on each camera to grab footage. Clean and simple. And if you want cloud storage, Showmo offers a monthly subscription service for that option too. Now here's a key feature. This extended external antenna. The cameras have their built-in antennas, but this bad boy gives you serious range. This is the upgrade antenna for when you need to push the signal further. If you got a big property or need to punch through walls and obstacles, this antenna is going to be your best friend. According to the specs, line of sight range is up to 1 mile. This is gear for people who actually need reliable long-range wireless. One more thing. This system scales. The base system comes with 2 cameras, but you can expand. Just pair additional cameras to the router, and you're good to go. No extra hubs or complicated setup. Front door, back door, driveway, barn, workshop on a single system. And look at this. They've even included an outdoor security box. This is meant to protect your router and other components if you're mounting the system outside. Weatherproof housing for all your electronics. This is critical for outdoor installations. You need to keep that router and power equipment protected from rain, dust, extreme temperatures. Showmo thought about this, which tells me they actually understand how their system will be used in real-world scenarios. Whether it's a construction site, a farm, or just your backyard, your gear stays protected. Now here's something important, these solar panels. Notice they're completely separate from the cameras. That's a smart design choice for real-world mounting. You can position the camera where you need it, then mount the solar panel separately wherever it gets the best sunlight. No complicated wiring between them. Just plug in and go. This makes installation way more flexible. You're not trying to angle a camera and capture sunlight at the same time. They connect via a weatherproof cable. Really clean setup. So that's the Showmo system. Exclusive early access unboxing complete. Compact camo cameras, separate solar panels for easy positioning, multiple mounting options with straps and clamps, extended antenna for serious range, router with onboard recording storage, weatherproof outdoor box for protection, and expandability up. I'm going to get this thing set up and do a full range test and review. Make sure you're subscribed for that. Questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching.